Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Ryan and today I am going to show you how to fix this error. The upload file exceeds the upload max file size directive in php.ini. What that means is within WordPress you tried to upload something that was too big, and we can actually override those settings. The default for WordPress is 2 megabits, and we could see that that's what this new training installation is set to. An easy way to check is to go to media, and then we can go to add new, and it'll tell us down here that our maximum upload file size is 2 megabits, which is not enough for some things. It should be enough for most of your images and things like that. However, we were able to get this error by trying to install a new premium theme from Theme Forest. It'll also happen to me when I'm trying to upload maybe video or something like that. And this is something we can do temporarily and then scale it back down once we've launched the site. That way nobody else can upload extremely large files, but we can get those up while we're trying to get everything developed. In order to fix this, we're going to go into our cPanel, and you can see we're on GoDaddy right now, and with GoDaddy we're going to use a specific type of file just because I found it works most of the time with them. So let's go to our file manager, and we're going to go to our document root for todosedona.com, and we want to make sure show hidden dot files is checked because we want to be able to see those. That's the kind of file we're going to create. Now we could create a php.ini file. However, I found that with GoDaddy that doesn't always catch if we're outside of the root directory. So the root directory would just be this public HTML right here, but we've got an add-on domain here of todosedona.com. So we're going to do a .user.ini file, and to create that it's pretty simple. We're going to add the plus new file, and we're going to type .user.ini, and we're going to create that new file. And you can see that's why we wanted to make sure we had those dot files checked so we can actually see what we're going to be doing here. These two files are normally going to be hidden from view because they do have a lot of control over what's happening. So we're going to go ahead and edit this file here, and we're going to add a couple lines of code in here. And one of the ones we're going to add was shown right to us here, so we don't really even need to guess anything. We're just going to take that and copy it and paste it into right here, and we're going to say it equals, and let's go 64 for this. The other thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to do the post max size as well. Because when you're uploading something, it actually creates a post as well. We want to make sure that that's large enough. Otherwise, we're still going to be capped at that 2 megabits. So, and I don't remember if it's post max size or what it is. I believe it's post underscore max underscore size. But we can check this real quick. And if it would help if I spelled correctly, we can check it and make sure that we're entering the right line in there. We'll just do a quick Google search for it, and post max size, there we go. We got it right in there. We're going to set that equal to our upload max file size. And we'll just go ahead and save these changes. Now if we go back to our site and we check and say, okay, we've done it. Now let's see, are we at 64? We're not going to be. We need to go back and we need to reset this here. And GoDaddy has an easy way of doing that. Down underneath your software, you have PHP processes. We can open that up and we can hit kill PHP processes. And that'll stop everything that's going on right now, and we'll be able to restart it coming back up. A secondary way to do that, I found that sometimes cPanels on different hosting accounts don't necessarily have that PHP processes, but you can go into select the PHP version, and we're just going to change it out. You can see we're at 7.1 right now. We're just going to change it back to 7.0, set it as current, And it doesn't matter if you change it back, whatever you're going to change it to. And then we're just going to change it right back to 7.1. That'll essentially do the same thing. Anything that was running will get stopped. Now, when we go back in to our site, we should be able to refresh, and now we have our upload max file size set at 64 megabits. That should be plenty for any uploads that you're going to be doing through here. If you need to do anything bigger than that, you can always go into your FTP and upload that way. And hopefully that fixes your problem. Thanks for watching.